Hi, I'm Michael Gaffney with American School of Floral Design. Today we created all these arrangements. We do a ton of work every day. Let's talk about how to pick a design school. Here are three things that someone might say at a design school advertisement, social media page, which I will tell you, it's not the right place. Number one, I hear this a lot. You're going to be shocked, color theory. Color theory. Every other florist goes out with a book called Color Theory. There is no such thing as color theory in our business. We are 90% of the time, if not more, seasonal designers, which means if your husband orders flowers for his wife in spring, what colors are you sending? Yes, pastel colors, like an Easter card. So all your designing is done in season. If it's winter time in December, you're only using three colors, pretty much, red, white, blue. So if you think color theory and they use color wheels, wrong school, wrong school. We don't use color wheels in our business. You'll see it in every other school. I teach the Da Vinci Code of Flower Design. It's the most effective and it works. Watch those videos on my YouTube. Amazing work. Successful designers after immersive course. Color wheels, those are for decorators and fashion designers. We don't put bright blue and bright yellow, even though they're complementary on the color wheel, together. Imagine an arrangement of bright blue on one side, bright yellow on the other side, sitting in your house. Where are you going to put it? So, color wheels and color theory are not a good thing. We don't use it in the flower business. Flowerschool101.com. Join me in class.